Hi, this is TianChad here. So today I'm going to share with you my experience using the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So let's check it out. I'm sure you will like it. Hello guys, again this is TianChad here. So just now it was the AR emoji type of me during the intro. So the first thing would be, is there any difference with the Galaxy S8 Plus from the outside? Now, here you can see on my left side, this is the S8 Plus and this will be the S9 Plus. As you can see from these two, they don't have much difference from the front with the same screen, borderless infinity display. But when you look at the back, there will be a major difference where you can see the camera used to be like this and already tilt 90 degrees to become this way. So it's easier for some people to unlock your phone with the fingerprint here, but for me, I've already get used to it. So now I need to get used to this new location right here, right now. So what's so great about the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus? The main thing that people would like to see is the new camera, where it has the dual aperture kind of thing, and it can adjust to aperture 1.5 for even better low light photo, or even 2.4 for just the, I think, average kind of good lighting photos. Now you have seen the difference of the outside, and now I would like to show you what are the other difference, because now the S9 Plus, they have the new speakers on top, where when you play the music, it will give you a better hearing experience. So let's play a song. So now I'm going to play the music from the S8 Plus first. And then with the S9 Plus. Then switch back to S8 Plus. Then switch again. I hope you were able to hear the difference between the S8 Plus and S9 Plus. This is the AR emoji. I will show you the screen right beside me as what are appearing on the screen right now. I've already created a few faces of me. It was not easy to create because when you are talking and it will really detect your mouth, but you might need to talk a bit slower so that it will show you the real mouth movement. Okay, these are some emoji of my friends that I created, like this. Here. Oh, I should show you again. So these are the emoji that I created by taking a selfie with the function, and they can create all these kind of emoticon where you can use it and post it on the social media. So does it look like me or not? Just leave a comment below and let me know. Okay, to create the emoji, I should just press create and take a selfie. 1, 2, remove your glasses and smile. And then from here you can choose male or female. Let's try, maybe I should try female this time. It'll take like around 5 seconds to transform you into the AR emoji. Oh shit, I look ugly. But anyway, this should be just a test run, and I shall change the hairstyle to a bit more feminine. I still look so wrong here. So maybe I should beautify myself by just pressing this one. Ta-da! Now I became a female. If I'm a girl, I would like to have my hair long in a way, yes. Some part that can cover my face, and then my outlook. So this is how it looks like if I'm a girl. So this is a beautified mode of me, and I can adjust the distance. If I put it further, I can see my whole body, but I can't move my hand or anything. So yeah, this will be the emoji. Okay, so now the new camera function on the S9 series will be, you can just switch your mode by just sliding left to right, and there are two types of slow motion here using the phone. There are like slow motion and super slow motion. So slow motion would be for you to record video in 240 frames per second, and it's recorded in HD, so you can use the video on your travelogue and it still looks good with the high resolution. And then another would be the super slow-mo, where you can slow down a lot of stuff, like they capture the 0.2 second of footage and convert it into 6 seconds of footage. So you can see my example below where I'm able to capture, I think, an insect. It should be a bee that just flew by, passed by that. I hope that you like the next series of the slow motion video that I'm going to show right now. So what do you think about the new camera features on the S9 series? I do feel that if the super slow motion can record at HD quality, for sure this will impress even more people, and I directly will upgrade to this phone. Okay, another thing that I would like to share is the Bixby Vision. So here's the booklet, a travel booklet in Chinese and English, but I would like to try to translate the Chinese part into English word. So 16 days Alaska, you will become, yes, Alaska and Ruby Princess Chris. But you can choose to translate to Japanese. Let's try. Yep. The moment when you press, it will change to Japanese. There you go. Make sure that you need to cover the whole paragraph so it has a more proper translation. Or I can even capture, like, take a photo and all the words will come up. Then only I'll choose to translate the words. So you can see up there is Chinese and down there would be Japanese. Alright guys, so that's all about the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. I hope that you like this kind of review, and don't be shy to check out my channel or other travel videos that might capture attention, and do feel free to leave a comment or subscribe to my channel and thumbs up or share with your friends. Anyhow, and I shall see you next time. This is TianChad here, and See you soon. Look at the bright side, my side, TianChad.com. Bye bye! Oh shit, that looks ugly.